Hello, Daniel Batchelor here from Powder River Precision. This is our Delta Extractor tuning kit for the 1022 series rifles or their clones, or the Mark series pistols or clones of those pistols. Due to a wide variation in manufacturing tolerances between brands of ammunition and different manufacturers of rifles, your extractor may not engage and hold the rimfire case properly. Excessive gap or loose tension between the bolt, extractor, and case can lead to non-extraction, erratic ejection, or stovepipe jams. Our Delta Extractor kit has 3 different size extractors in it. It's got a number 1, so we're going to look at this with the hook of the extractor tool going towards the right. Number 1 is the same as the factory length. A number 2 is 5 thousandths shorter, and a number 3 is 10 thousandths shorter than the factory. All of these are marked by little lines. So this is a number 2, this is a number 1, and a number 3. So what's excessive gap look like? This is a factory bolt here and factory extractor. And if we put the case on the breech face and rock it, you can see the space between the extractor hook and the rim of the cartridge. I'm going to use the extractor tool here and pull back the spring plunger. Remove the extractor. I'm going to put it in another factory bolt here. So I just line it up with the slot, then use the hook to grab the spring plunger, pull it down, and then I rotate the tool forward and the extractor snaps in. So this is the same extractor in a different bolt. And as you can see, there's minimal gap between the extractor and the rim of the cartridge. This is what we're looking for. So back to this bolt. I've already tried this, so I know that this one's going to take a number 3. So we'll start here, number 1, number 2, number 3. And you can see the lines on the part. So there's a number 3. Using a small punch or similar tool, push on the tip of the extractor and snap it out of the housing or the tool. Install it just like you would any other. Again, we have minimal movement. That's the fit we're looking for. Now, how do you know if your extractor is too short? So we'll come back here and I'll try and put a number 3 extractor in this bolt. So this is a number 3. So that's installed, but the hook won't even come over anywhere close to grabbing the case. This would not be the proper extractor for this. This one needs a number 1. These are available at our website. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.